Good morning everyone. So in our last class, we have discussed about 5 marks, 2 marks and 10 marks problems on quantity index number, right? Yes. So what is quantity index number? So the general changes level in the quantity. So that is called quantity index number, right? Relative changes in the quantity of goods produced or quantity of goods consumed. So that is called quantity index number. So in that quantity index number we had weighted aggregative quantity index number. In that we had Laspeyres, Parshey's, Marshall-Edgeworth, Dorbish-Bollis and Fisher's quantity index number. So in our previous class we have discussed about how to solve the quantity index number, right? So it may be Laspeyres, it may be Parshey's, Marshall-Edgeworth, Dorbish-Bollis and then Fisher's. So I have given 2 problems in my last class, right? So first problem was P naught values. First problem P naught values was P naught values. So 2, 4, 1, 5, right? And Q naught values was 25, 5, 8 and then 6, right? So I told that I will give the answers in my next class. So answers for this, first one Laspeyres. So Laspeyres Q01L is equal to, answer for this question, first one Q01L is equal to Q01L. L means Laspeyres quantity index number is equal to 86.11. 86.11. In my previous class I have given this question, right? Yes. So next one Q01 P is equal to Q01 P means Parshey's. Q01 P is equal to 82.16. 82.16. And then Q01 M E is equal to how much? Marshall-Edgeworth is equal to how much? 83.38. 83.38. Next Q01 dB is equal to how much? Q01 dB is equal to how much? 84.135. 84.135. And then last one Q01 F Fisher's is equal to 84.11. Okay? Yes. So this was last problem in my last class. So Q01L, Q01P, Q01ME, Q01DB and Q01F. These are the answer for this question. Yes. And also I have given one more problem. Yes. So this was the first problem. And the second problem was P naught values or P naught 846, 5 and then Q naught 50, 80, 70 and then 30, right? So this was the second problem, right? So the answer was, so you have to find out Marshall-Edgeworth, Dorbish-Bollis and Fisher's for this question, okay? And the answers are Q01 ME. If you want, you can find out Laspeyres and Parshey's also. Q01 ME is equal to 117.02 and then Q01 dB is equal to 116.5 116.9, and then Q01 F is equal to what? Q01 F is equal to 116.892, 116.892. Okay, yes. So next, so in my previous class we have also discussed about 2 marks problems on quantity index number, right? 2 marks problems. So to find out last pairs and to find out past days quantity index number, 2 marks problems on last pair and past days quantity index number. So some more 2 marks problems, if last pairs quantity index number is, if last pairs quantity index number is, it means Q01 L is 170.4, 170.4, Q01 L is equal to 170.4, and Q01 P is equal to, and Q01 P is equal to how much? 171.6, 171.6. So find dB and F, find dB and F. dB means what? dB means Dorbish-Bowley's, F means Fisher's. Okay. See, look at the problem. So we have Q01L. So Q01L means what? Last pair's quantity index number. They have given last pair quantity index number, and then Q01P. So past days quantity index number. So we need to calculate Dorbish-Bowley's and Fisher's quantity index number. So in price index number we have already solved this type of problem, right? Yes. So how to solve this problem? See, same as it is, Dorbish-Bowley is equal to Q01 dB. We need to find out Q01 dB. So we have another type of formula, that is dB is equal to half into Q01L plus Q01P. Yes or no? So in price index number we had P01 dB is equal to half into P01L plus P01P, but it is a quantity index number, therefore we have to write so Q in the place of P. Okay. So Q01 dB, you need to find out Dorbish-Bowley. Q01 dB is equal to half into, so do you have the value of Q01L? Yes, we have 170.4 given thing. So we have 170.4, and also we have past days 171.6, right? Yes. So what is the next step? Next step is add these two, add 170.4 plus 171.6. So Q01 dB is equal to half into, if you add up these two numbers, so you will get 342, right? 342 divided by 2, Q01 dB, if you do divided by 2, what you will get? You will get 171 as a Dorbish-Bowley's quantity index number, Dorbish-Bowley quantity index number. Okay. So in the same way we have to find out Fisher's also. So Q01 F is equal to square root of Q01 L into Q01 P. Okay. Q01 L into Q01 P. Okay. Yes. So write down the values. So we have square root of 170.4 into 171.6, 171.6 is equal to how much? You will get 29240, square root of 29240.64. Take out the square root, so you will get 170.99 as your Q01F, right? Fisher's quantity index number, Fisher's quantity index number. Very simple. So, we have the formulas half into Q01L plus Q01P. So, you will be having values in the question, substitute the answers, substitute the values in the formula, you will get the answer. Okay. In the same way, Fisher's also. Okay. So, this is of 2 marks problem. So, you will get for 2 marks either you will get Darvish-Bowley or Fisher's. Yagadru one keltare. So, 2 marks problem ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾಶೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಾರ್ಬಿಶ್-ಬೌಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಫಿಶರ್ಸನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ 2 marks ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಾರ್ಬಿಶ್-ಬೌಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಶರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, so moving towards next problem, moving to the next problem. Next problem, yes, if Q01P is equal to 320.4, if Q01P is equal to 320.4 and Q01DB is equal to 342.2, then find what we need to find out here. So, if you have Darvish-Bowley, so in Darvish-Bowley's formula we will be having last Pierce and Parshas, right. So, by using last Pierce quantity index number and then Parshas index number, so we can create Darvish-Bowley's quantity index number formula. So, here we have two items. First one we have Parshas quantity index number and then Darvish-Bowley's. So, which one we need to calculate then? We need to calculate Q01L is equal to question mark. Okay, yes. So, here we have DB. So, DB means what? Darvish-Bowley's. So, for that write down Darvish-Bowley's quantity index number formula. So, Q01DB is equal to what? So, what is the formula for this? Yes, half into Q01L plus Q01P. Half into Q01L plus Q01P. Okay, yes. So, Q01DB is equal to how much? Yes, we have the value here. So, in the given things we have the value 342.2. Q01DB already given. Okay, so this value already given. So, 342.2. So, write down the value for Darvish-Bowley quantity index number 342.2 from the question. Okay. So, is equal to what? Is equal to half into what you need to calculate? Q01L. Keep it as it is, Q01L plus, do you know Q01P value? Yes, we have 320.4. 320.4. Yes, 320.4. So, now solve the problem. See, here we have half, here 342 by 2. It is a 1 divided by 2. Here we have 342.2. So, what is the next step? First, we need to transfer this 1 by 2 into LHS side, right. So, you will get 342.2 into 2. Do cross multiplication. So, here it is 1 divided by 2. If you transfer this 1 divided by 2 to LHS, from RHS to LHS, this divided by will become multiplication. Okay, yes, is equal to what? Q01L plus 320.4. Next, do multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 1 point is here. So, 1 point. So, 684.4 is equal to Q01L plus 320.4. So, in LHS side we have 684.4, it is a bigger number. In RHS we have 320.4, it is a lesser number. So what you will do? So transfer this lesser number to LHS. Okay. So here you will get 684.4 minus what? Here you have plus 320.4. So in RHS we have plus 320.4. If you transfer plus sign into LHS from RHS to LHS, so plus sign will become minus. Okay. So 320 plus 320 plus 320 is here. You just transfer it to RHS to LHS, you will get minus 320.4 is equal to, so write down Q01 L as it is. Okay. So now do subtraction, so you will get 364. So 364 is your Q01 L answer. So last year's quantity index number is equal to Q01 L is equal to 364. Okay. Yes, 364. So next one. So next problem. Okay. So let us move to next problem. If Q01 L is equal to 236, if Q01 L is equal to 236, if Q01 L is equal to 236, Q01 F is equal to 238, Q01 F is equal to 238. So tell me what we have to find out? Yes, we have to find out Q01 P, and so Q01 P is equal to question mark. So we have Q01 L is equal to 236 given thing, Q01 F is equal to 238. So they have given last pair and then Fisher's quantity index number. So we need to calculate Parsh's quantity index number. So here we have Fisher's quantity index number. So we know the formula for Fisher quantity index number. So what is the formula for Fisher quantity index number? Q01 F is equal to square root of Q01 L into Q01 P, right? Yes. So here we have the value for Q01 F 238. So we have the value for this. So what is the value for this? 238 from the question. Okay. So I have written 238 from the question, and then we have square root of, write down square root of Q01 L. Yes, we know the value for this, it is a 236 into, we don't know the value for Q01 P, write it as it is. Okay. So next what we have to do, what is the next step? So we have to remove this square root, right? So what we have to do? We have to remove this square root. To remove the square root, so we have to do square on both sides. So it means we have to give square. We have to give square on both sides. On both sides means what? So whatever you do in the equations, when we are solving an equations, we have to give same proportion to RHS side and LHS side. Okay. So we have to do square on both sides, then we can get rid of this, we can take out this square root. Okay. So 238, so we can remove this square root. 238 square is equal to square root of 236 into Q01 P square. To remove square root, what we have to do? We have to do both square on both side. Okay. Square on both side. So here it is 238 square. So 238 square is equal to how much? 56,644. 56,644. So in RHS side what happens? Square and square root get cancelled, right? Square and square root get cancelled. So what is the remaining thing here? So what you will get? You will get 236 into Q01 P. So what is the next step? Yes, what is the next step? In LHS side we have 56,644 number and in RHS we have 236, right? Here we have multiplication sign. We have multiplication sign in RHS side. So what we will do? So we have to transfer this to 236. Here we have multiplication sign. Here we have into, right? So what we have to do? We have to transfer this 236 into LHS. So multiplication, if you transfer into sign, it means multiplication sign to LHS, so that multiplication sign will become divided by. So it means 56,644 divided by 236 is equal to Q01P. So what is the answer? So your answer is 240.017. So therefore Q01P is equal to how much? 240.017. 240.017. 240.017. Okay? Yes. So this is your quantity index number 2 marks problem. So first one, they will give sum of Q0 P1, sum of Q1 P1, these type of problems for 2 marks. So by using those things, by using those items like sum of, summations, we can find out last pairs or parses. Okay. So if you have the question like Q01L, Q01P, so if you have questions like this, you can find out last pairs or you can find out Darvish-Pauli's quantity index number or Fisher's quantity index number, or also you can find out they will give Darvish-Pauli value, they will give Fisher's value, we need to find out one missing value. Okay. So these are 2 marks problems. Okay, 2 marks problems. So next move to value index number. So value index numbers means what? So general level, relative changes in value, right? Relative changes in value. It means, so 2010, if you take 2015 and 2020, 2015 as a base year and 2020 as a current year. So what are the changes? What are the changes is happening in previous year and current year? So that is called in the value, in the value of a product. So nimage ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. So you know what is value index number now. So what is value index number? So value index number is nothing but a relative changes in value is called as value index number. Value index number. Value index number. So what is value index number? Relative changes in value is called as value index number. Okay. So we present value index number, we denote it by as a V. Okay. So V is equal to V01. V01 means what? With respect to base year and current year. V01 is equal to, you can write it in 2 format. First one we have sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100. First formula. Or also you can write it as V01 is equal to sum of V1 divided by sum of V0 into 100. Sum of V1 divided by sum of V0 into 100. So these are the 2 formulas. You can use either this formula or this formula. So here V1 is equal to P1 into Q1. So V0 is equal to P0 into Q0. Okay. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈ 2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ V1 ಮತ್ತು V0 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ V1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ V0 ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ P1 Q1, sum of P1 Q1 and then sum of P0 Q0. So in the case of 2 marks problem, okay, in case of 2 marks problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ P1 Q1 ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ P0 Q0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ P1 Q1 ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ V1, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ P0 Q0 is nothing but a sum of V0. So hagidre you can write this formula also or this formula also, both are same. Okay, yes. So let's solve problems on value index number. So let's solve the problems. First problem we have, first problem, compute value index number for the year 2010 on the basis of 2008 from the following data. So compute value index number, compute value index number, compute value index number for the year 2010 for the year 2010 on the basis of 2008 on the basis of 2008 from the following data, okay. So first one we have items, first column items, second column 2008 price, quantity, and then 2010 here also price and then quantity, price, quantity and then price and quantity, okay, yes. So under item we have A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, values 9, 10, 7, 15, 9, 10, 7, 15 and then under Q0 we have 10, 9, 8, 8, 10, 9, 8, 8. Under price we have 10, 11, 8, 15, 10, 11, 8, 15. Quantity we have 11, 10, 10, 9, 11, 10, 10, 9, 11, 10, 10, 9, okay, yes. So this is your problem. So look at the problem. Compute value index number for the year 2010 on the basis of 2008. So 2008 is a base year, 2010 is a current year. Therefore it is, here we have price, quantity, price, quantity. So it becomes, what it becomes? It becomes price, it becomes, it's a base year, it becomes P0 and then it becomes Q0, and here current year, it is a current year, therefore it becomes P1 and here it is Q1, right? Yes. So you need to find out value index number. So what is the formula for value index number? Yes, V01 is equal to, what is the formula? There we have P0 Q0. So therefore write the formula according by using P0 and Q0. So V01 is equal to, what is the formula? We have two formula here. So first one, sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into what? Into 100, right? So here we have, what is the formula? Sum of P1 Q1 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100. So therefore it is, what we have to do now? So what are the two columns we need to calculate the formula? So we need P1 Q1 first column, and then we need P0 Q0 from the question, right? Yes. So next step is multiplication. So do multiplication. So what you will get? P1 Q1 and then P0 Q0. So P1 Q1, so it is a 110, again it is 110, 80, 15 nines are how much? 15 nines are 120, right? P0 Q0, 110, 110, 64. 1 second. Eleven, 10, 8. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. 8 8s are 64, 15 9s are 135. Okay, 110, 110, 64, and then 120, 135. Okay, 15 9s are 135, and then we have P0 Q0. First one we have 90, and then 10 into 9 again 90, 7 into 8 56, and then 15 8s are how much? 120. 15 8s are 120. So we will get the sum 9 sum of P1 Q1, and then 6 356 sum of P0 Q0. Okay, so you got sum of P1 Q1, and then you got sum of P0 Q0. Substitute in the formula, you will get the answer. So formula is here. So sum of P1 Q1 is equal to 419 divided by 356. Solve the problem, tell me the answer. Solve the problem and tell me the answer. Okay, yes. So next one we have test for adequacy of index number. Next problem is of, so next concept is of tests for adequacy of index number. Okay, so here we have index number, adequacy of index number. So for that we have some test here. So we have 4 types of test. First one we have unit test, second one time reversal test, third one we have factor reversal test, fourth one we have circular test. So the very important tests are, here we have 2 tests, very important test or 2 tests. First one we have time reversal test, and second one we have factor reversal test. These 2 are very important. So you will get the question from this on the basis of time reversal and factor reversal. You will get 10 marks problem. Okay, yes, these are very important concept. First one we have time reversal test. So this is of tests for adequacy of index number. In that we have time reversal test. First one we have time reversal test. So time reversal test. Okay, yes. So what is time reversal test? So what do you mean by time reversal? Time reversal. So here what happens? See, time reversal P01, we have the formula for this. P01 into P10 is equal to 1 Here we have definition for this. Time reversal test requires that the index number computed backward should be reciprocal of the index number computed forward. It means if you compute index number forward, or if you compute index number backward, so that reciprocal, so it should be equal to the reciprocal, expect for the constant of proportionality. Okay, so proportionality ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. It means, so here we have, so this test is proposed by Professor Irving Fisher. This test is proposed by Professor Irving Fisher. According to him, an index number P01 should be such that when base year and current year are interchanged. See what we are doing here? Base year and current year are interchanging. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ P01 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ P10 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. It means, so wherever 0 is there, so we have written 1 here. So where 1 is there, we have written 0. It means ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So this is the formula. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್, ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ P01 into P10 is equal to 1 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆರ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ P01 is equal to what? It is the reciprocal of P10 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆದಾಗ P01 ಇಂಟು P10 is equal to 1 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್? ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೊ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಪಾಶೇಸ್, ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ವರ್ತ್, ಡಾರ್ಬಿಶ್-ಬಾಲೀಸ್, ಫಿಶರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ Cayley's price index number, right? So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, so we have 6 price index number here. So among 6 price index numbers, so which are the index numbers satisfy time reversal test ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ. So ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ first one we have Laspier's method, right? So this is also called as TRT, time reversal test. So what is the condition for this? P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So condition is P01 into P10 is equal to 1. First one method we have Laspier's. First one, Laspier's. First one method we have Laspier's method. First method Laspier's method. Okay, Laspier's method. Okay, yes. First one, Laspier's price index number. First, so these are the methods. Okay, so here we will satisfy Laspier, whether Laspier price index number satisfy, we will check it. Okay, we now will test ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So Laspier satisfy ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಪಾಶೇಸ್ satisfy ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ Laspier's ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, Laspier's price index number. So you will get 2 marks problem on this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ Laspier's price index number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, P01L is equal to what? So what is the formula? Write down the formula for this. It is a P01L. So write down the formula for this. Sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 into 100, right, into 100. ಸೊ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು 100 ಹಾಕೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು 100 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, P01 L is equal to sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, last year's, so last year's price index, last year's price index with time reversal is, with the time reversal is ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P01 ಇತ್ತು, ಸೊ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, P01 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, P10. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ P10 L is equal to, we have to write P10 L. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ P10 L is equal to, ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಿಸನ್ ವೆರಿ 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 ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಸೊ P01 L is equal to, we have written last year's price index number, first one it is a last year price index number, sum of P1 Q0 divided by sum of P0 Q0. Okay, so now we are going to write last year's price index number with the time reversal. Here we are reversing the time, so we are interchanging base year and current year. Therefore it is P01 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ P10. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ P01 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಾನು P10 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನಾವು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ 0 ಇರೋ ಹತ್ರ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿದಾಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ವೇರೆವರ್ 1 is there, so write down 0, wherever 0 is there write down 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ 1 ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 1 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ P1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, P0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, Q1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ P0 ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, P1. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ Q0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, Q1. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್, sum of, here it is P01 with the time reversal P10. Okay, so here P1 is there, P0, Q0 is there, interchanging Q1, P0 P1, Q0 Q1. So wherever 1 is there, so I have written 0 in the place of 1. So wherever 0 is there, write down 1 in place of 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 0 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 1 ಬರಿತೀರಾ, 1 ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 0ನ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೋಪ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, P01 into P10 is equal to 1. This is your condition, right? So which index number are you doing? So you are doing last year's, therefore it is P01 L into P10 L is equal to 1. Okay, so we have P01 L and also we have P10 L, right? So therefore write down, so what is the formula for P01 L? So we have the formula over here, right? So write in the formula here. Sum of P1 Q naught divided by sum of P naught Q naught into, we have P10L formula. It is here, right? Sum of P0 Q1 divided by sum of P1 Q1 into 1. Yes. So ಇವಾಗ RHS ಮತ್ತೆ is equal to 1. It's not a into 1. It is equal to 1. Okay. Yes. So ನಮಗೆ LHS ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, RHS ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, LHS ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು RHS ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. LHS ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು RHS ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಇಂಟು 3 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ? 3 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, 2 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯಿತು, 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಉಳಿಯಿತು, ರೈಟ್? 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಉಳಿಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, P1 Q0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ P1 Q0 ಇದೆನಾ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P0 Q0 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ P0 Q0 ಇದೆನಾ? ನೋ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀರಾ? therefore P01L into P10L is not equal to 1. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು TRT. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, P01 into P10 is equal to 1 ಅಂತಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. therefore P01L into P10L is not equal to 1. therefore thus last pair index number does not satisfy time reversal test. ಬರಿಬೇಕು. therefore last pairs